Have you ever opened an app or a website and immediately felt lost or frustrated? That's the power of a poor design. Businesses like yours losing valuable customers and sales because of this. Hi, I'm Sifat and our agency creates stunning modern UI UX design using tools like Figma and Adobe XD. Whether it's a mobile app or a website, we focus on the design that don't just look good but also work effortlessly for your users. Here is how we make it happen. First, we dive deep into your business and audience needs. Next, we craft user-friendly wireframes and prototype tailored just for you. And finally, we deliver polished design that developers will love to work with. The result? A design that keeps your user engaged, boost your conversion, and set your business apart from your competitors. No more guesswork, just effective and beautiful design. Ready to elevate your design? Let's start today.